because I thought somebody that's been wearing a bonnet for the past 3 days said something. Yes, she is giving you box braid slay, okay? Do you see that ombre? Starting from the brunettes and blending down to the auburn. It's a look, okay? Get into them baby hairs. Yes. If you have not done so already, be sure to watch my 5-step wash day routine where I go into full detail about how I prep my tresses for styling. I completed that routine just before doing this look, and here is where I left off. Okay, I'm starting on freshly blow-dried hair, and the first thing I'm going to do is part my hair into 4 equal sections, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Down the middle. Here is the hair. Okay. So the hair is called, or the company is called Befunny Professional Easy Pre-Stretch Braiding Hair. Okay. It comes in a package like this. Ooh, child. The clumsiness. It comes in a package like this. Cute little label. You take it out so you can see the ombre. Ooh, yeah. Okay, because she is giving you brunettes, and then she fades into the auburn. Okay, honey? Yes, this is gonna be cute, girl. Ooh, you look so cute. So the package that I ordered comes with 8 packs. I don't know if I said that already, so I must just say it again just in case. But it comes with 8 packs of hair, and this is how much hair is in it. From the looks of it, I'll probably be able to get about 7 to 10 braids with each pack. I might be being generous, I'm not sure, but we will see. So let's go ahead and take off the label. And I do want my braids to be long, so I'm not cutting it in half. I'm just going to cut the rubber bands. Okay, moving along. Cut the rubber band. Keep the hair length intact. Oh, what you will need, the good old reliable Jam Extra Hold. Okay, it's a shine gel, conditioning gel, so it's not gonna have your hair hard and crunchy. You're gonna use some jam. I want my boxes to be perfect, so I'm also going to use rubber bands at the root so that you can actually see the boxes in my box braids. And a parting comb. I like to use the comb that has the metal tail. Okay, it's because that point right there is just super thin, and it gives you a nice precise parting. And then your detangling comb, but make sure you're very careful with how you're detangling your hair. This is just in case basis. All right, let's start. First thing I'm gonna do is do a part straight back. Make sure that it's as neat as you can take it. And then one tip for making sure your parts are extra neat is to take some of that jam and actually place it going along the part of your hair, and then repart. See? Do a little twisty thingy, flip it out the way. Okay, and I want my box braids to be sort of medium. About that size right there. Okay. Take your jam. Get all around the perimeter of that part. You may want to use a little brush to make everything nice and neat. And then get you a rubber band. There we go. Get you a rubber band, also from Amazon. Okay, take a medium-sized pinch of hair like that. That actually might be a tad bit too much. Boom. This much. Stretch it out slightly, even though it's pre-stretched. And what you want to do is pinch off about a third of that. And you're going to go across, sort of like you're looping the hair around, kind of like a T. And then take that part, that looped part, put it in your hand, and then begin your braid. And I'm just putting all that hair into one section. Go all the way down to the ends. Oh, this is party. Okay. I'm leaving just a little bit out, because at the end, when I boil the ends, it's gonna be like a nice little straight end. Okay, let's do one more and then I'll come back with the finished look. Okay, really quickly, ixnay the rubber bands. I just did one without the rubber bands the way I used to, and look at the difference in how close I was able to get to the scalp versus with the rubber band. Okay, so we're gonna do the rest of the head without the rubber bands. And if the boxes are perfect, great. If not, it is what it is. I really want this style to last. Hence why I'm not doing knotless, because they're really pretty and cute and trendy right now, but they don't last. And the school year is about to start. Hint, hint, I'm a teacher. And I just don't want to have to worry about my hair for a little while. Okay, so just to show you how to do the braids without the rubber bands, same first step. Pinch off hair, then pinch it into thirds. Make your T. And now what you want to do is sort of grab it, and it's kind of like you're starting a braid, holding that part that has the looped hair so that it's tight. And then you're just really starting at the scalp and braiding. Look how close that is to the scalp. Don't worry about having to tuck the rubber band. I got the rubber band tip from an Instagram braider, but it just didn't work for me. So you have to adjust. It's called being adaptable. Okay, if you notice that your hair is starting to kink up a little bit once you're getting to the end, just go ahead and put a little extra jam on it to lay it down. Okay, see the difference? Do you see the difference? Because maybe I do, because she's hanging. But you know, since that's gonna be tucked anyway, I'm not even gonna bother taking it out. Alright, I'll come back with the finished look. I'm back. It's giving me summertime vibes, but the color is still appropriate for a teacher, you know. I don't want to be too loud, too blonde, too much color, because I was gonna go for the really, really light ombre, but I think this works out fine. Okay, so the braids are done. This hair was, I forgot what it said, but I think they pre-boiled the ends, but I'm just going to redo that step so I can seal the ends of the braids so that they do not unravel over time. Okay, take that off. The water's already boiling. Okay, I'm gonna do this step in halves. So put all my hair on one half to the side, and you literally just dip the ends in the water. And then take it out. Squeeze all the excess water out. Now those ends are sealed. Yes, girl. Once again, boiling water helps to seal the ends so that your braids don't unravel. Okay, now let's do the other side. There you have it. Waist length braids. I love them. You'll be seeing me with these braids in my videos probably for the next few weeks. And I'll do an update. I'll probably refresh them sometime soon and give you guys an update. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.